So welcome to the Machinery Nation Christmas Special, Chainsaw Christmas Special, and we have got a proper treat for you for Christmas.
Because we have delved into our archives or our shelves to bring you every single chainsaw that we have in our collection that run, so that's brand new, and even some oldie goldies, which we've got running. Because
in a video on our vlog channel that has probably just already gone out, we have gone through all of our vintage saws to see which ones we can get running. And the good news is we've got 3 strong contenders.
We have.
So let's start at that end and let you know what we've got, and then we'll take the saws up and do some sawing.
Right, so first up we have got the Milwaukee dual battery chainsaw. We've got an MS 201T from Stihl. We've got a Milwaukee top handle. We got a Milwaukee Hatchet. MS 212, brand new Stihl for this year. James's trusty old 340. An Ego 20-inch battery chainsaw, their professional one. We've got T540 XP.
T540 XP, Mark III.
So that's Husqvarna top handle. We've got the new GTA40. Now this is a little bit of a
special treat. Special
treat. Here first. And we got a Milwaukee single battery chainsaw.
And then we've also got the original Stihl MS400. We've got the brand new Stihl MS400, which we have been launching for Stihl. We've got a Husqvarna 592. That's the biggest saw we got here, isn't it? 90.1. Oh no, no, all right. It is. It's not the biggest saw.
It's probably the most powerful.
The most powerful saw we've got here is the Husqvarna 592. We have a Stihl 08S from our vintage collection. We have a Stihl MS 172. We have a 500i, beautiful, and a Husqvarna 80 vintage saw, and Josh's pride and joy of 125cc Solo Rex.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, he loves that saw. So, and we have had featured that in a video before. We've done Battle of the Big Saws many years ago. So I think we better get them loaded up and go and see which one's cut and which one's fastest. Now I'm going to have a vote. I reckon 592's got to win, isn't it?
It's going to be the quickest.
It's got to be. Got to be the quickest. I think the key here are like the battery hatchets and battery saws going to beat the old vintage saws. I think that's going to be the interesting.
Depends if my sharpening is any good, don't I?
That's true, because Josh has now got to sharpen the
3 oldies.
Husqvarna 8, yeah, all the 3 oldies, because the ones on the Husky, the teeth are flat. The teeth on the Stihl are facing backwards.
They're that laid back. You could almost call them Mike.
They lie down. Right, so we have 12 petrol saws and 6 battery saws to play with. Obviously not. We're not playing, Josh, are we? Very professional. No. We're only professional here.
And we're certainly not racing them against each other.
No, not racing either. Now, how was your filing, though?
Well, hopefully it will cut now.
Yeah?
Yeah, whoever was filing that before has done a bloody awful job of it,
so
to be honest.
It'll be better than what it was anyway, definitely. Yeah. It was awful. So yeah, what we're going to do, start with the smallest battery stuff. Yeah. And work our way up through.
Can mix it up a little bit, maybe.
So let's start small and go big. Okay. Keep it in order.
All right.
It'll make my editing easier.
Should we total the time? Should we do the times on the side as well? Should we go up through?
Trying to make my life a nightmare. He's just trying.
I know he's only got a day to edit it.
I have got a lot. I've got a lot to edit before Christmas. Anyway, right. Let's start with the small battery stuff.
Yeah.
And then move all the way up to, and we'll leave some of the vintage stuff. Yeah.
Can't wait.
Well, the vintage stuff will come a bit in the middle, won't it?
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll see. Right, let's go. Small timber up first with the hatchets, and then we'll move on to the big timber. Josh up first with the Stihl GTA40.
Now James has got the Milwaukee M18 Hatchet.
Right, onto the bigger log, and Josh is up with the Milwaukee single battery M18 Chainsaw.
Boom! That's got some grunt, isn't it? Right, James has got the MS 172 from Stihl.
Josh is up with a Milwaukee top handle chainsaw.
Lovely. Right, James is now up with the MS212.
Now Josh is up with the Husqvarna T540 top handle.
Lovely. James is now up with the Stihl MS201 TCM.
And Josh is now up with my old trusty Husqvarna 340.
Can't beat an old 3 Series Husky. Now James has got a 80S, I think the old first vintage one.
Yeah, that's fun. Right, now Josh is up with the original Stihl MS 400.
How was that? James is now up with the new MS 400.1.
Awesome. Right, Josh is now up with the dual battery Milwaukee chainsaw.
$70cc worth of battery power. Now James has got the Ego CSX 5000E, the professional battery Ego chainsaw.
Now Josh is up with the Stihl MS 500i.
Fuel injection, baby. James has now got an old school Stihl 08S.
Oh, you gotta love the old school, haven't you? Right, now Josh is now up with his Solo Rex, his very own chainsaw.
That's when men were men, wasn't it, eh? Now James has got the 592 XP from Husqvarna.
More for the modern man, love it. I'll be honest, my Christmas hat underneath my helmet is starting to like interrupt with my eyebrows.
I thought being from Devon, you just had longer clinkers.
I don't think it's the coolest look, is it? But I've got my little ball at the back. Anyway, that was fun, wasn't it?
It was.
That was proper fun. Now, Josh, extra little sneaky job. Pick one saw.
I thought we were going on a felon mission or something. A sneaky job.
No, it's pre-Christmas, you don't do any proper work.
Right, okay.
Pick one saw to have one more go.
Right.
We'll do it down, up, down, actually.
Okay, I might try your Stihl 08S.
Do the Stihl. To be fair, I'm very impressed with how you managed to get that chain back to anything that would cut.
It cut well, didn't it?
Yeah. One more grind, I think you should be bang on. Now, I'm going to have another go with the Husky 80. That sung really well, didn't it? And the chain's beautiful, isn't it?
They all sound good.
They all did. No, we're choosing two old saws, but there we go. We don't get to use them all the time, do we? And the 592, what a pleasure. It's been too long since I've used that saw.
Absolute cherry. And fuel injection, you can tell the difference that fuel injection on that saw.
Yeah, on the 500i.
Pickup,
yeah.
Amazing that.
Yeah.
And then the power, the battery stuff,
yeah,
just keeps going, doesn't it? You push down on it, it's really, the torque's there, isn't it?
Definitely. Yeah, anyway, I think that's enough talking. Let's do some more cutting.
Cool.
An unusual way of cutting, but it's fun, isn't it?
Dirty bastard.
Oh, Wally's been digging.
You dirty boy.
Hasn't
Hey.
he? Anyway, that was a bit of fun.
It was.
Love that. Love that. I'm not going to say which is my favourite. Obviously, one that isn't in production anymore. Husqvarna 80. Stihl 08S.
And I'm going to be biased and say the Solar Rex.
Yeah, okay.
Obviously, it's a family heirloom.
Obviously, we work with all the manufacturers, so we're not going to be and say which one is better at the moment. But you know, they're all great, Josh, aren't they? They're all amazing. But from that, you've seen all the times along the bottom of the screen. You can make it up your own mind.
Let us know if you've got any vintage ones, I suppose.
Yeah, let us know.
Let us know if you've got any old school stuff lying about.
Or if you like any of these, or you think we should add something else to this collection that we've got, would be great. Anyway, have a very Merry Christmas. We're Machinery Nation, and we bring you videos every week. We do, every week about tools and machinery. So yeah, we'll see you in the new year. Merry Christmas.
Cheerio.
That was quite relaxed, wasn't it?
I'll do, wasn't it?